コミュニケーションを実現。目で見るだけだったウェブサイトに音声情報をインクルードすることで情報に新しい価値を与え、他者との差別化に効果を発揮します。
Watashi wa Simona desu. I remember a few sentences from my study session at university in Turin while I was attending also Japanese language. This video is a tribute to one of my favorite country, that is Japan, but also to my professor Mario Scalisi, that is not here anymore with us, but he has been one of the most esteemed scholars and professor in Japanese culture here in Italy. So while I was reviewing the press kit on this project, few theories that I learned at university pop up in my mind. As you can see from my background, there is something unexpected that shows the style of this installation. Japanese are known to follow all the path for innovation, but also they have a special sensitivity to the natural phenomenon, and they try always to be close to nature, not to be aggressive of nature, but to adapt and to try different way to live with the natural phenomenon. This work was brought by the Ministry of Art of Japan Foundation, here at the 60th Biennale of Venezia. The artist is a well-known, international well-known artist, specialized in sound installation and kinetic project. Her name is Yuko Mohri, and he brought here, I'm gonna show you the slideshow. He brought here in Italy two installations in a unique frame entitled Compose. The first installation, More More Liki, is a kinetic sculpture that uses water and sound to create a mesmerizing display of movement and light. The second installation, that is even more weird for the normal people, is entitled Decomposition, is a sound-based work that explores the concept of decay and, sorry for the track, the concept of decay and transformation. The curator, Sook-Kyung Lee, is a prominent figure in the art world, having served as the director of the Whitworth and professor of curatorial practices at University of Manchester. I've been living in Manchester, and I have to say that in that city they try to portray and to bring international cultures, and they are particularly fond in architecture and art, contemporary art. The Japan Pavilion, with its iconic design by Takamasa Yoshizaka, has been a platform for showcasing Japanese art and culture to the world since its inception in 1956. They started with a project in 1939, then because of the war, they postpone the building process. Mori exhibition is a testament to the country's continued influence on the global art scene and its ability to produce innovative and thought-provoking artists. We have also to highlight which are the features of the kinetic art that is one of the most spectacular contemporary art form nowadays. So we have moving parts, then sorry for the truck that is passing. So it's fundamental that the installation, the works as a moving parts, mechanical parts, which focuses on essential components, unexpected components, and movement. Then the dynamic interaction among the parts is a key features, and also the dynamic quality also ensures that is a proper masterpiece. So the kinetic art work has to respond to the physical properties of the elements are dealing with, and there is to be the viewer engagement and interaction. And as you know, Yuko Mohri likes that the people, the visitors at Biennale, change the elements and try to make it sound differently, moving the parts and trying to understand how it works. So Mohori works. She likes also to do workshops, trying to train people to forge and to assemble this kind of elements, are really engaging and emphasize interaction. So I think in the upcoming years, kinetic art and video art installation will be the most wanted form of arts. I mean, I'm absolutely into that. Okay, for me is everything, and I suggest you should go and interact with this beautiful work at the Japan Pavilion, and of course it's one of must-see pavilion in Biennale. Keep on staying tuned. Simona Cochi, The Italian Way. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Arigato.